Welcome everyone, this is Adazine Digital Marketing. Now in this video I'll be explaining how to create a 3D ebook cover. Now if you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing to this channel. Please like this video and make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Now I'll be taking you to 3 sites where you can actually create your free 3D ebook cover. The first of this site is called absolutecover.com. Now when you come to this site, just simply click on the book covers. You'll be taken to this interface where you will choose the type of ebook cover. Is it a hardback or a paperback? Then you'll be required to fill text details, the title of your book, the tagline / statement, the author's name, your website address, other information that you will actually need to provide. Then with other details you'll be required to create on this site. After then you'll proceed to the next step where the ebook cover will be actually sent to your email. When you come to trim size, you actually need to pick which of the trim size you want to choose. So you need to pick from here. Now I actually don't recommend using this site if you actually don't have a good amount of budget to use. Now I'll be taking you to a site where you can actually create your 3D ebook cover for free. Now the second of it is what? Adazine.com. Now I'll put all the all the link to this website in the video description below. Now when you come to Adazine.com, all you just need to do is what? Put your email address. You put your name. Then you actually need to pick a picture. Now you need to design your ebook cover picture first before you'll be able to create a 3D effect. Now I'll be showing you a website where you can actually design your ebook cover for free, which is Canva.com. Canva.com is a free and a paid template, where a website where you can actually design anything, create presentation, social media, video, marketing, office, and many more. Now to learn more about how to use Canva to create a video presentation, check out the video on my top right corner below. Now then, I've chosen the image I want to use. All I just need to do is finish. Now as it's loading, we'll move to the third website, which is what? doityourselfbookcovers.com. All you need to do here is come and choose if you want a single image just like this, or you want a composite where you have 2 or many more. Now actually pick, let me see, pick this. Now that is the first step. You need to choose if you want a single picture, a composite picture. You go to next. Now what you need to do here is to upload. Browse the image you want to use. So I want to use this image. So you upload. Do make sure please you subscribe to this channel, because I'll be releasing amazing content on how to create ebook covers, how to design your ebook, and how to write an ebook. I also create tutorials on how to create videos on Canva, and also create tutorials on Facebook, Instagram marketing, how to grow your audience through your Facebook page, through your Facebook group, and many more. Now after you have uploaded, you just need to come to, let's check the other. Now in this site, for you to actually get this video, you need to pay an amount to get such video. But all you just need to do is come to this, download your free markup here. And you can actually see it downloading here. Okay, let's actually check from this side. Here is our ebook cover 3D markup. Now let's say I want to use another image. Let's say I want to pick this lady holding this book like this. You just need to click on that image. So for you to get amazing designs like this, you will need to pay. You need to subscribe to get all these pictures like this. But just to create a simple markup design, 3D design, just like this one I've shown you here, is free. But any other design you will need to pay. So let's move to the third website, which is doityourself.com. Then after you finish uploading, all you just need to do is click on next, and then you'll come here. If you need a PNG or a JPEG, now you can see the image downloading here. Let's say I want to use a different image. So let's see. I can actually see how to create this 3D effect. I want to use a different one, so I try not to use this. And you actually seen different ways where we can create our 3D book cover using these three websites: absolutecover.com, adazine.com, doityourself.com. All the link to this website will be put on this video description. Please make sure you subscribe to this channel until I release the next content. Thank you.